Hello guys, this is Dr. Cool Autofix. Today we got a BMW X6 2008 model, 8 cylinders with twin turbo. And you can see it right on my screen right here. Full engine power no longer available. Possible to continue the journey. Drive moderately. Have a problem. Checked by a mechanic. That's right, have the problem checked by a mechanic. Okay, so that's gonna be one of our breaking news today. Just a moment. Okay, in today's top stories, we have a BMW X6 V8 twin turbo with engine problem. So what are we gonna do today? I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do today. So stay tuned. And if you have this problem, kindly reduce your speed because you're gonna create more damage if you don't reduce your speed and you keep revving it higher or speeding faster. So follow the instruction. Engine full power no longer available. There's some sort of a limp mode, so you should drive moderately to your location. Have a mechanic check it. And those are ways which the exhaust can be able to extend its own regard and greetings to you. So just a moment, take a look at it again from the cluster infotainment and back to the engine. Power no longer available. Then we're also gonna take a look at the engine and hear what she have to say about the situation. Then we go to the computer and tell you what I found. Okay, a couple of things which the customer says has a rattling noise which is hearing from the engine when the engine gets hot, and that sound is not funny, it's really scary. And so with me here watching and trying to do a visual inspections and see what could go wrong, what exactly is not in place, because as the first description I was actually thinking that the fan could be faulty. Now I opened this coolant reservoir. That is where my first observation is, that these cars have tons and multiples of problem, and that's what I'm gonna be taking a look at today. Just briefing, so if you have this problem, the clue which I'm gonna be showing you through my computer today might be able to help you, to fix it. And if you're within Nigeria have a problem with a BMW, you can reach me. My number is on my profile. You can reach me through the, be it electrical, mechanical, AC system, you name it. I'm all right there. So let's go to the computer and take a look at it and see what we can be able to find in my computer scanner. Okay, going through the computer, I'm trying to find I'm trying to see if there is anything which I'm gonna see an odd something something different, something abnormal, so it can give me a clue to exactly the situation inside the engine, inside the combustion chamber, or inside the engine oil circuitry, or the electrical circuitry. So there's a lot of circuit inside this very gigantic car, and my first procedure in trying to fit into the situation to find a solution is to dive into the middle of the problem. And there is something I just showed right here that just flashed and went away. I'm gonna repeat it again. So I want to check all the cylinders and make sure that they are firing correctly. They are firing fine. This is 8 bangers. So these 8 bangers, I need to know if there is a problem with any of them. Then it's gonna be a little bit more exciting to know what exactly is going on with the, maybe there is any cylinder that's not functioning, that's not performing very well, that is underperforming. So I'll check the electrical system, check the battery power, because at this very point every circuit inside a car is a suspect. Alright, I check the fuel. Now there are some things you might not know that I showed previously. I intentionally want you to hear the sound. So here I'm diving to make sure that what I'm actually hearing when I start the engine is correctly, because I'm some sort of a multiple fix tech in different areas of car make different makes and model. And here I'm trying to see the engine oil temperature. I'm trying to also take a look at there is some other thing which I found within, which is exciting. I did find some trace of oil inside the coolant. A lot of you guys are gonna jump in that, whoa, that a car have burnt top cylinder head gasket. It could actually be true. The other reason why, because the customer also told me that the system loses a lot of coolant. But here, this is under corporate right here, we're getting 11.48 volts, right? That's abnormal. That's what I'm looking out for. So like I said in the middle of this video, that there's a lot of things which I'm looking out for in electrical, in engine circuit and different circuits. So the first thing, trying to pinpoint why the engine, why I'm having a trace of oil inside the coolant, that can actually make the system to start going into limp mode, which will now display to you and tell you should reduce your speed and drive moderately and have the car checked by a mechanic. Now on the battery here, we're getting about 11.43 volts, which is below the threshold parameters. And I did ask them if they have replaced the battery. They said it has been up to a year with the replace the battery. I asked them the amount, because that should be able to tell me. Okay, you can see it right there. So
hello,
that's pretty much it. I hope you find the information here helpful.
yeah, good afternoon,
Bye.
sir.